this video, I'll guide you through bypassing the BitLocker screen that prompts you for a password when trying to log into your computer. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, if you are stuck because you can't recall your password and you don't know how to retrieve the recovery key, don't worry. In this video, I'll help you resolve the issue. Here's what we need to do first. Press the escape key, then press it again. Now this should bring up the BitLocker recovery page. From there, click on skip this drive, then troubleshoot, then advanced option, and finally command prompt. If you had stored the recovery key on your computer, type notepad and press enter. Then navigate to file and select open. From there, locate the folder or location where you have saved your recovery key. If you've saved the key on a USB flash drive, connect the USB drive to your computer and go to this PC and access the USB drive and look for the recovery key. And if you save the recovery key to your Microsoft account, let's visit the website at account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. Now I've included this link down in the descriptions. Log into this website from any device such as your smartphone or another computer. Once you are logged in, you'll find your recovery key if you have saved it to your Microsoft account. Now after retrieving the recovery key, return to the main computer and let's close Notepad and any other open applications. In the command prompt window, let's type manage-bde-status and press enter. You'll find this command in the descriptions as well. This will display all your drives. Look for the status BitLocker version to identify which drive is encrypted with BitLocker. If a drive shows BitLocker version none, it means it's not encrypted. Let's focus on locating the volume C drive. Now for the next step, let's enter the command manage-bde-unlock and followed by the drive letter. Since this is the C drive, let's type C:\rp. Now enter your recovery key and press enter. You'll see a message confirming that the password successfully allowed access to the volume C. However, we also need to disable the BitLocker. For this, let's enter the command manage-bde-protectors-disable, followed by the drive letter, which is C:, and press enter again. You'll receive a confirmation message stating that the key protector are disabled for volume C. Alright, we are all set now. Simply type exit and press enter. Then click on continue and your computer should now boot up without prompting you for the BitLocker key. And it will directly take you to the login page. And hopefully this should have fixed your issue. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.